Good morning to all. My name is J. Kamalnath Reddy. Today my topic is anti-gravity. Anti-gravity is an idea of creating a place or object that is free from the force of gravity. Gravity is directly proportional to the mass. According to the GRACE data, gravitational variation is likely due to the conventions occurring in the Earth's mantle 55% to 75%. It does not refer to the lack of weight under gravity experienced in free fall orbit or to balancing the force of gravity with some other force such as electromagnetism or aerodynamic lift. Anti-gravity device. Anti-gravity device produce a force when twisted that operate out of plane and can appear to lift themselves against gravity. A device is shown invented by Henry Wallace. His device consists of superconducting ceramic ring and solenoids. He claimed that by passing current through solenoid results in creating a gravitomagnetic field which shows anti-gravity effect. Anti-gravity device. NASA anti-gravity mission. Quantum levitation is another way to succeed in anti-gravity. Quantum levitation, as it is called, is a process where scientists use the properties of quantum physics to levitate an object, specifically a superconductor, over a magnetic source, especially a quantum levitation track designed for this purpose. This reason this works is something called Meissonier effect and magnetic flux spinning. The meaning the Meissonier effects dictates that a superconductor in a magnetic field will always expel the magnetic field inside of it and thus bend the magnetic field around it. The very superconductor material itself will create a force to inhibit and sort of motion in relation to the magnetic field. If you tilt the superconductor, for example, you will lock or trap it into that position. It will go around a whole track with the same tilt angle. This process of locking a superconductor in place by height and orientation reduces any undesirable wobble. NASA researchers hope to conduct an experiment that could determine if the force of gravity might someday be adjusted like the volume of radio. In 1992, Dr. Eugenio Eigen published the result of his experiment with high temperature ceramic superconductors. He devised an experiment in which a disk of superconducting material was magnetically levitated and rotated at high speed up to several thousand rpm in the presence of an external magnetic field. Quantum trapping. Applications. Cheap energy can be produced without burning any fossil fuels. Human space travel will be possible at a low cost and very high velocity of the spaceship can be obtained. Unwanted weight from the rockets can be removed, which is earlier used to provide thrust to get out of the gravitational field. Anti-gravity technology would revolutionize space exploration. Bearings can be manufactured with zero friction as there is no contact with the moving parts. Land transport can be improved, but for this magnetic tracks are required. Conclusion: with the help of anti-gravity, we can easily explore the solar system and outer space. Thank you.